Hi, everyone. My name is Catherine Shea. I teach at Manual Arts High School. I teach all 12th grade government and economics. I teach government for this semester and economics starting January. For this presentation, I will be talking about the Unit 4, which is called the legislative branch. I've presented to all my students that this is one of my favorite units, partly because I have had direct experiences in the legislative branch. I've worked on multiple levels of government, which is something that they have learned about since Unit 3, which is political participation, about local and state and federal governments and how they all work together. Then they start to understand how lawmaking will happen on all 5 levels of government: federal, state, county, city, and local. One of the big highlights of the unit is to understand these 5 levels of government, which is something that most voters and most adults and most students don't even know about. One of the big projects here that you'll find in my classroom are the levels of government. As you can see, you will see 5 purple posters in some very odd shapes. And these odd shapes are the 5 levels of government and who makes laws on each of them. And I can start from the local level. Right here in South Los Angeles, they understand that neighborhood councils are the people that you want to go to if you just want to talk about your neighborhood issues. Over here, they start to understand that this is what a city actually looks like. As you can see, Los Angeles is in a very odd shape. But of the 15 districts, they know that they are in one small district within the whole city, and they will look at a lawmaker there. His name is Kern Price. Then from here, they understand that Los Angeles County is the most populous and the largest county in the United States. From here, they know that who makes laws? The Board of Supervisors does. The Board of Supervisors do. And from here, they understand that what they are learning in my unit are things that aren't necessarily, 1, put in state standards, and 2, things that most people don't know about, which is why it's so special and so important to learn about these things. Right here, you find the legislative branch on the state level. And then up here, up on top, where most of the information comes from in this unit, is the federal government. They will be learning about Congress, which is one of the primary state standards that we have. But once they learn about Congress, then they will be able to know all 4 levels below them and how they're very similar to how Congress functions. From here on out, once they learn about the lawmaking branch, then they can go through the 3 branches of government. Sorry about that. So now we are working on the judicial branch, and they understand how the 2 branches so far connect together, and then they will be learning about the executive at the end. If you have any questions, feel free to contact. Thanks so much.